One of the reasons that we were really excited about the Brother Mills is because of the turntable feature, eliminating the operator load time out of the equation and getting your machine running more, increasing the efficiency of your machine, your spindle uptime, was something that was very appealing to us. The speed and accuracy at which the Brother machine can switch pallets is amazing. You can change pallets typically under 3 seconds. Our machines keep running and they're not waiting for an operator to load them. When we installed the Brother equipment on the floor, we basically took the same program off of our existing equipment, put it on our Brother turntable mills, and instantly saw a 25% gain in efficiency. We ended up going from 250 parts a shift to 350 parts per shift. Our relationship with Yamazen has been fantastic. They are very responsive and have done and delivered everything that they've said and promised. The Yamazen service and support staff has been fantastic and have made us very happy. And I'm happy to say in 18 months we have not had even one shift's worth of downtime on our 10 Brother mills.